Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another February unboxing for you and I've got Lookfantastic. If you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you know everything there is to know about it and you just rather skip forward to seeing what's inside this box and hearing my thoughts and everything, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide and it costs £15 a box. And inside you'll receive 6 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and body care, and also sometimes some tools as well. I've been a subscriber to Lookfantastic for around 3 years now and I have not taken a break. It's one of my favourite, more affordable subscription boxes out there. If you are leaning more towards a skincare heavy subscription, then I do recommend you check this box out. But you do get the odd makeup item in there. As well as a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, they do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well at a reduced cost. Although this box that you're seeing today is a PR box, I'm on Lookfantastic's PR list and they kindly send me their boxes for free in exchange for me showing you and telling you all about it. I do still keep my own personal subscription running because I run giveaways on my Instagram page and Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and also I give to friends and family as gifts as well. So I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £15 a month, it reduces to £13 a month, and because I've been subscribed for so long now, I don't pay any shipping on top. So yeah, it's a bargain box. It is a bargain box. The sizes tend to vary. We generally get, I'd say, mid-size items with a few full size and a few smaller sizes. Every month is different, so one month might be better than the other, and yeah, it does have its ups and downs. It's a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get. So if you're watching this for the first time and you're not sure whether you're interested in taking out a subscription or not, I do post up pics on my Instagram page so you're able to take a look back at what they have released over the last couple of months. And also I've got a huge back playlist, but as you can imagine, 3 odd years of monthly unboxings is a heck of a lot of videos to go through. So yeah, maybe Instagram, if you've got Instagram, might be the easiest way for you. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But yeah, all links and everything related to the subscription. Plus, they've given me a code to have a discount off your first box if you opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. And also, if I can find any other codes lying around, you will find them down in my description. So underneath this video, you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that will bring up my description, and all links and deals and current limited edition boxes they have and everything would be listed down there. So before I unbox it, I just want to say I have got one up for a giveaway, as well as receiving one for PR. I've received my own paid for box today, which is super early. So I'm going to be putting my paid for box up for a giveaway. So if you're interested in entering, which is going to be open internationally, then carry on watching until the end and then I'll tell you all the details. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So inside we've got a little magazine here. It details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you costs sometimes. I don't think we had any costs in it last month, but if they do, then I'll tot it up and to give you an overall value. But it also gives you a sneak peek for next month. Your March box is focused on female empowerment and living a life without boundaries, and in every single box we'll receive a Christoph Robin regenerating hair mask, 50 mils. So everyone who subscribes will receive one of them in the boxes next month. And on the back here as well, it shows you all about the limited editions. Now the Valentine's box, you might have seen me already unbox this on my channel. That's already sold out. Gone, no more. But look at this. Look at this. They're releasing a Mother's Day box. Their Mother's Day boxes have always been absolutely stunning, so I can't wait to see what's inside it. But a sneak peek is a cordially firming cashmere cream, 50 mils. So as soon as I find out about that box, I will let you know. I'll post it all over my socials. Now I've had a sneak peek because I put a spoiler up on my Facebook page because I was having a bit of a lazy weekend. I received this box on Saturday, I think it was, and I don't know, I just felt not in the mood for filming. You might have seen this on my Facebook page if you follow me there, because I post up little spoilers. You might not be able to see much, but there. Quick sneak peek. Okay then, what can I tell you about this month's theme? The primary focus in your Treasure Edition box, from products right through to this month's Edit magazine, is self-love. We all know it, we all love it, but we definitely don't practice it enough. Learning to love yourself wholeheartedly is a long-term process with ups, downs, and all the in-betweens. I hope that this month, alongside treasuring those around you, you're able to spend time prioritising yourself. Trust me, you will feel so much better for it. So it's all about self-love. And a nail is just pinged off somewhere. I'm missing having gels. Lockdown, see? Lockdown. Apologies, I will get on to unboxing in a minute. The first item in the box is the sneak peek that we had last month, and this is by Illamasqua, and this is Beyond Veil. It's a skin glowing gel, and we got 6 mils there. Note, I found my thumbnail. Now this is a product, if I remember, I haven't tried before. Is it like a highlighter and a primer in one? I don't know. Look at that colour though. That is lovely. I love the Hydra Veil. It is so cooling on the skin. I really, really love it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much there, if it'll pick it up. Can you see? So it's, yeah, it's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Combining 2 of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. That's it, powder. Okay, the face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, whilst also providing a luminous, natural looking glow. It contains vitamin C and fruit extracts. There's no prices in there, so I can't tell you how much that is. So that's the first item in the box. If you haven't already seen, I did a video last month and it was me using all the products that I received in my Look Fantastic beauty box, and lots of you really, really loved it. So I am starting a series, so look out for me trying all the products from like the top subscription boxes that I receive, and I can't do them all unfortunately, but I'll be testing all the products out in this box soon. So next, I've got them out already. I'm quite scary this video, aren't I? Apologies. Right, next item is by Magnetone, and this is Wipeout Swipes, a pack of 2 eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Just add water. I love these. I have got loads of little makeup remover pads. I use them all the time. My teenage daughter does as well. But these little ones in particular, I keep them upstairs. Our bathroom is downstairs, so yeah, a bit upside down house. But anyway, I keep these upstairs and I've started to collect quite a few of them now. I'm not using wipes anymore, and I've stopped using cotton wool pads as well. And this is where they come in handy. I use them with a bit of micellar water to clean up some makeup, or I actually take off my makeup and then I go downstairs and do a proper clean, like a proper cleanse. We've had a few products from Magnetone before. They do all these type of cloths, but no, first time I've had the swipes then. It says super soft and ideal for sensitive skin as no cleanser is needed. Simply throw into the washing machine after use and reuse thousands of times. That means no disposable makeup removal wipes going into landfill. Yeah, I do really like that. Next we've got a product by Elemis, and this is Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an enzymatic cream exfoliator, advanced skincare, and we've got 15 mils there. I've tried this a few times and it is really, really nice. You only leave it on your skin for a couple of minutes. Is it 5-10 minutes? Yeah, here. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. It's nice and gentle on the skin and it just leaves my skin feeling really nice and bright. I think we've had it a few times in Look Fantastic though. I know I've had it in different subscription boxes. I'm sure I've probably had it in a Look Fantastic. So I'm a little bit surprised to see we got it again. I might be wrong there. I might be wrong. I might be thinking of other subscription boxes. Ah, right. Okay, I forgot about this. But yeah, you might receive this, or you will receive a Mádara SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. So those are the only variations inside this month's box. So you'll receive either one of those. So information about the Elemis product, it says a natural exfoliating face cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The results: smooth, moisturised and brighter skin. Yeah, it is a really lovely product and contains contains papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil and vitamin E. And then it just goes into telling you how to apply and how long to leave it on. Information about the Mádara product, a replenishing moisture locking face cream packed with age-defying antioxidants to help treat dehydrated, stressed skins. Provides a protective layer between the environment and your complexion, whilst also promoting intense hydration and reducing look of fine lines and wrinkles. Suitable for all age groups and skin types, and it contains northern peony, linseed and hyaluronic acid. Next, we've got something teeny tiny. This is by Aiko London. This is a Galactic lid gloss, and this is in shade Zodiac, and there's 4 mils here. See how teeny tiny it is. It's really small, isn't it? I thought it was a lip oil or lip gloss, but no, it's a lid gloss. And I'm quite excited about this. I love a lid gloss. So it comes in 2 shades. I'll show you the other one in a minute. I love the colour. That is lovely. Oh, it's not as glossy. It's not as like sticky as I thought. You see the intensity on my finger there. So it looks like you could build that up really nicely. I think that would be stunning if you wanted to have like a natural makeup look, but you just wanted a little bit of like sparkle in your eyes, but nothing too fancy, no like shading in and things like that. But yeah, just dabbing it on and blending it out. I think that would be nice. The other one is Stardust, which I'm assuming is silver. So I've got that one. So you might receive that one. A liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Swipe colour across the lid using the applicator. There was an applicator in here. Was it? Build up where necessary and blend using either your finger or an eyeshadow brush. Even though it's teeny tiny, I do think I'm going to have fun playing around with that, and you only need a tiny bit. So yeah. Next, we've got something I can't wait to give a go. Smell more than anything. And this is by Bubble Tea. This is strawberry macaron hand and body butter. And we've got 50 mils there. Bubble Tea do the most amazing scented products. Try it on there. Blend it into my glittery hand there. Yeah, it just smells like strawberry sweets. It just smells like strawberry sweets. I wouldn't say it's like a really rich, luxurious hand cream. So if you're suffering from really dry hands, then I think obviously this will help, but I think there are better ones out there. But it does feel nice. It does leave my hands feeling nice. And yeah, it has got a really nice scent as well. A hydrating moisturiser for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treats, soothe and refresh dry skin, cruelty-free and parabens-free. And it contains strawberry extracts and essential oils. And then it just says massage into slightly damp skin after bath or shower until fully absorbed. So there's that. And then the last item in the box is by Balance Me. And this is a AHA Glow Mask. And we got 10 mils here. So it looks like that. And it says a triple action chemical exfoliate mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. Smooth over your face and leave up to 15 minutes. Remove with warm water. AHAs encourages the shredding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. It contains lactic acid, malic acid, glycolic acid, tarlactic acid and kaolin clay and linden. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's Look Fantastic. We've got 6 products in all. The cost of the box is £15 and it doesn't have any... Woo! Dropping. It doesn't mention any value, but the cost of the box is always going to be a lot lower than the actual value of the products. So we've got some cleansing cloths, we've got a hand and body cream, we've got a face mask, we've got a cream exfoliator mask, we've got a primer, and we've got a liquid gloss for your lids as well. Overall, I think, yeah, definitely worth £15, or in my case, £13 for what I paid for my subscription. But I think it would have been nice to have something a little bit different. These two are very similar. They both leave on face creams that you take off after 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, one is more of an exfoliator and the other one is actually a mask, but they are quite samey. I think it would have been nice to have gone with, I don't know, like a lipstick or something like that. That's the only thing I've got to say, really. I'm excited, really excited to try this Illamasqua product. Really excited. I am really happy that I've got the Elemis because I know I do really like that. I just think that the sizing is on the small side of things this month. Not a wow box. But it's not a bad box. It is not a bad box. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed? Have you received your box yet? Because they're sending them out pretty quick this month. Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But yeah, on to then how to win my paid forward box, which has got a little bit of outer packaging stuck on it. So I haven't opened this at all, so it will be unused, etc. So to be in for a chance of winning, you must be subscribed to my channel. Make sure your settings are set as public. When I choose the winner using a random comment picker, I'll be able to see clearly if you are subscribed to me or not. Please like this post. I'd be really grateful if you share it. You don't have to, but I'd be really grateful if you do. If you're under the age of 16, make sure that you have your carers or parents' consent, and leave a comment down below. Say your favourite love emoji. Not so much love, but your favourite Valentine's type emoji. So I think there'll be quite some funny ones there. It could be poo. If you hate Valentine's, you know what I mean? It could be heart or whatever. So yeah, if you want to be entered, then I'll be looking for those emojis. And finally, I need to be able to get in touch with you. So please leave me your contact details, as in, say, your Instagram name or a email I can email you on. And the winner will be announced in my March unboxing of Look Fantastic. And it's open internationally, if I haven't already said. So thanks for watching and speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.